What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today another very exciting Samsung video for you guys, and today we're going to be talking about the week that was in Samsung updates. I'm going to try to start doing this new series on the channel where we discuss all of the updates that came out in a given week. So basically going to be reviewing all the videos I made, but then also some other updates, because there's always updates during the week that get pushed out to different Samsung apps or like a Google Play system update that I might not have a chance to make a full dedicated video on because it's just not maybe interesting enough or there aren't new features. So we'll see how this series goes. Let me know if you guys like this. That way you can find out all the updates that you should be going out and downloading. Make sure you didn't miss anything. Before we get started, I do want to thank my 3-year-old son, Jonathan. We've got the baby Stegosaurus over here, and we've got the Marlin hanging out here in the video. Always appreciate him for giving us some dinos, some animals to hang out in the video. If you're new to the channel, check out the alpha link. It always has the most recent video I posted. Sign up for the newsletter link so you can get in touch with us. Make sure you know what we're up to. You can sign up for the newsletter also to get on the mystery box program. If you don't know about that, we send out a free case cleaning kit, desktop phone stand. If you pre-order your new Samsung phone through us here in the US, it is US only because we do ship. We cover all the shipping costs, no cost to you. Just use our affiliate link to order from Samsung. You get some new accessories for your phone. We love doing it. Check out the link in the pinned comment description for all that information. So I made a little gallery album here with the various things that I wanted to talk about. And so if we go in here, let's go to updates 419. So I'll kind of run down what I talked about this week. The first update we looked at was the new photo editor update. This is one that everyone should go grab, this version right here. Here are the new features. The main one is the new object eraser, which allows the magnetic lasso option. And of course, I'll link all my videos below on individual videos that I made on these updates if you want to check them out, because there's a lot more detail, obviously. This should have rolled out for everyone now. This basically gives you the option to choose when you're choosing an object in a photo, if you want it to snap to the object or if you actually wanted to crop whatever you manually drew using your finger or the S Pen. It's a great update that adds some flexibility. It also reorganized the layout and improved selection for spot color. That one's probably a little bit more of a niche feature that most people might not notice, but the magnetic lasso is definitely something you'll use if you edit photos in the Samsung gallery. So definitely go check that out. These two updates are two that I did not get a chance to make a full video on. I'm considering making a full video on this Pinup update because it's actually quite large. It's got a lot of new features in it. They added some new brushes for drawing tools. They changed the way the layer modification works and the color extraction. So if you use Pinup a lot for drawing or for artistry or design, it's one you definitely want to go grab. I'm considering making a full video on that. Let me know if people would want to see it. In the past, my Pinup videos haven't done that well for update videos, so that's why I'm kind of not sure. Good Lock got an update overall, the main Good Lock module, which is great. It improved the Update All feature to make it faster and also has various bug fixes. There's really no new features added here or improvements to look at to current features. It just allows you to update all of your Good Lock modules faster. So you definitely want to grab that one, but it's not one that I'd probably make a full video on. The next one was the Google Play system update for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Galaxy S24 series. This probably is rolling out to some of the other series as well. I got it on the S24 Ultra unlocked. This is still a March 1st, 2024, I think, system update. So update size 18 megabytes. Of course, if you don't know where to go to check this, you go into your settings, go down to your About Phone area. I'm going to go in there because it shows my phone number, but then you go into software information. And once you go into software information right there, you'll see Google Play system update. Check for update right there. You should find a new one. You can see it is still March 1st. We already got a March 1st, 2024 update. This is just a second one. That's always good because it keeps your Google Play libraries up to date, brings new features to the Play Store, performance with your different Google apps and all that stuff, your Google services. So if you use Google services, that's certainly very important. And then the last really important one of this week right now that I've covered so far. And remember, there's always so many Samsung updates coming up. If you guys see something that's not in the video that I didn't cover that I should put in the next video, certainly let me know in the comments and over on Twitter. I'll certainly talk about it. Samsung pushes out so many updates. That's why this channel exists, but sometimes I probably miss something as well. It's always great if people let me know if there's something I should have covered that given week that I didn't. So right here, you can see this was the big one this week, the new update to Home Up, which pushed out the Access Finder, the home screen app icon setting to adjust the size of your app icons, and then these 3 folder options. Now, the disappointing thing is the 3 folder options, I just made a video on this yesterday, they do not apply to the S24 series. So these are supposed to be coming later. It says at the bottom, unsupported functions for the S24 device group will be added later on. I don't actually know why they weren't there, but this is definitely the biggest update that we saw this week. If you haven't grabbed it yet, you definitely should. Inside of home screen, you can now do Finder access for home and app screen. And down here with the app icon setting, you can choose to adjust the icon size. I don't know why I still have mine set to 106%. It's kind of weird, but you can go all the way up to 120%. And then for those of you who are on the S23 series, there's some new options in the folder grid, which is indeed, great, but it's not here on the S24 yet. So when we get that, I'll definitely make a video on that. There's a lot of other cool stuff this week. We know there's a big theme park update coming. I talked about that, but that wasn't an update that rolled out. It's an update that's coming up. Kind of a slow year, part of the year for Samsung stuff because we don't have a new phone out right now and we're just waiting for One UI 7.0 beta. But let me know what else you guys think is out there that I should have covered. That's my roundup of what I covered this week in terms of updates. Check out the alpha link again if you want to keep up with the newest video. Sign up for the newsletter to get on the mystery box. You can always check out my socials as well as the website. Appreciate you guys checking out this video, and I'll see you guys for the next video and also be back next week with another update roundup.